Salam to everyone. My name is Ishika. Today I'm presenting here chapter number 4, that is subtraction. In earlier videos we have done, I have introduced you the subtraction method. Subtraction means to take away number from a group or a number of things. It also tells the difference between the two numbers. Suppose if I have written here 7 minus 2, so here we have 7 lines. From 7 lines we cut 2 lines. So how many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is known as subtraction. Subtraction means to take away, to minus. Okay? So there are so many examples I have showed you. Again I am make you remember that's 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. If we have 4 umbrellas here, from 4 umbrellas if we deduct or take away 1, so 3 umbrellas are left. Okay, now we will start our presentation from book. Today we will complete our book exercises. So let's open your maths NCERT book. We have done up to chapter page number is not written here. Page number 66. Okay, we have done up to page number 66. Now open page number 67. In page number 67 we have to subtract the numbers. If you see here we have numbers, so we have to subtract each one of them. Okay, so one is already done, first is already done. Now second, 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Today I will tell you how to count or subtract numbers on your fingers, as you have done already with addition. It is very easy to add numbers on your fingers. Now today is a turn of subtraction. Let's start. Children, you can see my finger here. So let's start. Here we have our number of sums, that is 5 minus 2. So what we have to do? What is the second number? 2. So what comes after 2? 3. So we have to start counting from 3 to 5. That you have to keep in your mind. You have to start counting from the given second number and up to the bigger number. Understood? This is the way of counting the numbers of subtraction on your fingers. So what comes after 2? 3. Start counting. 3, 4, 5. Yes, 3, 4, 5. So here we have to write 3 on the given box. Okay, in this way. Next is 7 minus 7. So you have 7 toffees with you. If you give 7 toffees to your friends, so how many are left? Yes, 0. Okay, in this way. Next number is 8 minus 4. So our first number is bigger than the second number. It means it is right in way. Now we have to start counting from 4. What comes after 4? 5. So we have to start counting from 5 onwards up to 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many are left? How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write down 4. Okay, in this way you have to count numbers on your fingers in subtraction. What is the number given in second place that is smaller? We have to start counting from the next number and up to the first number. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and 4 minus 0 is equal to 4, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, now next again same questions are there. 9 minus 7, so here we have 9 number. What is written down? 7. What comes after 7? 8. So start counting from 8 to 9. 8, 9. How many lines came? 2. Write down 2. Okay, next number 3 minus 0. Same, when any number subtract from 0, it itself come in the answer. Now 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 6 minus 4, what comes after 4? 5. So we have to count from 5 to 6. 5, 6. How many lines came? 2. Very good. Now next 4 minus 2, what comes after 2? 3. So we have to start counting from 3 up to 4. Just count 3, 4. How many lines came? 2. Okay, in this way you have to do all this answer. Now page number 68. Here we have to write the missing numbers. The question is write the missing numbers. Here we have to find out the number which is not in the place. So how do we do that? I will explain you. Here, to get the missing number, we have to subtract the numbers from each other. Okay, suppose in the first question 8 is given, it means first number is given, second number is not given, but answer is given. It means here we have to find out the second number. So if the second number subtract from 8, what will come? 7. But how could we know that what is the second number? So for that, what we do, we will add 8 and 7. Okay, so here we have to subtract 7. Who is the biggest? 8. So we will write 8 first, and who is the smaller? 7. We will write it down. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. It means our answer is 1. Okay, in this way you have to do all the answers. Whatever number is given here, we have to subtract both of them. Now 5 minus, here we have no second number, 1. So if we going to subtract 5 and 1, so what comes after 1? 2. Start counting. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. So here our answer is 4. Okay, in this way you have to subtract each numbers from other one, and you will get your answer. I hope you all are understood the concept of subtraction. It is very easy. Only the main thing is that before doing the subtraction, you have to see that first number is bigger or smaller. If it is bigger, or if I give you two numbers, 7 and 2, and I told you to subtract, so you should see that you have to write 7 first, because it is bigger from 2, and then you have to write down 2 just in down, and then you have to do the subtraction. Okay, So this you have to keep in your mind, and then afterwards you will do practice of that. If you do more and more practice, you will get easily the concept of subtraction. So I hope you all are very known about it, about that. Complete your book exercises, and I will show you the next new topic in the next video. Till then, goodbye, Sairam. Stay home, stay healthy.